Secrets of Bosnian Favomancy. When beans predict a love disaster. Ever since I started publishing articles about the traditional Bosnian divination technique of fortune-telling with 41 beans, I have been receiving occasional emails asking questions about this method of divination, as well as requests to publish more articles. So, this time, I will describe combinations that can immediately reveal whether the person we are romantically interested in is single or already involved in a relationship or marriage. Signs of infidelity. One of the clearest signs that something is wrong in someone's relationship or marriage, that there may be a third person in the form of a lover or even a legal spouse, is when the beans in the second row form a 444 pattern. In the classical interpretation of bean divination, this number always represents difficulties, problems, a blocked situation, hard times, a crisis. Therefore, when such a combination, or something similar, appears in a love reading, we are faced with an extremely suspicious situation, a partner who is still married, or a person who is prone to infidelity, problems, and creating confusion. In such a situation, there are many lies present, and an effort must be made to uncover the truth. The end of a relationship or marriage. When a relationship or marriage is approaching its end, one carefully observes whether there are signs of such an event in the arrangement of the beans. The first indication is the presence of 6 or 8 groups of 4 beans, although this is not a strict requirement, because in this picture we actually see 7 groups of 4 beans each. However, another sign appears when the beans become watery, meaning that groups of 2 beans predominate. This image provides one such example. Literally speaking, the romantic relationship or marriage becomes like water, fluid, and happiness, destiny, and togetherness disappear. They drift away, and the partners go their separate ways.